Good afternoon, everybody. And I'm mindful of the fact that we are all now waiting for lunch to happen and must be quite hungry. But a very small and a very precise presentation. I'm just a talk, so to say. As we said, I'm George Kuruvilla and from Broadcast Engineering Consultant India Limited. Many times people think, how come a broadcast company is into the smart city domain and what we have to do here. So just to give a brief background, we are basically into media. So all the, major studios, which are government studios like Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, or lot of university studio media centers have been made by us. And all the private FM, whatever you hear, the common infrastructure for the private FM radio has been made by us. And we do the acoustic treatment of the auditoriums and the lighting, the sound, all those acoustic treatment together for the auditorium and halls. That is another area that we have the expertise in. But in the last few years, we have diversified ourselves into communication and into IT and ITES service, including the smart city projects. We are getting into participating into tenders and winning some projects. Like recently in the last 2 years, we have won projects of access control, a biometric access control of 44 airports in the country, which is around 110 crore. And we are now, right now, we are installing it and hope to complete it before December. So all the staff that enters the Airport Authority of India or the vehicles that go in will all have a biometric or a RFID tagging. So that tender we are doing. In fact, for Kota, we have the software as part of the Safe City, which is our component, BECIL component. And for Jaipur and Kota, it has happened. So it is part of the Safe City where we do the incident management, which means that not only the CCTV footage that comes into the command and control system, but what was the police walkie-talkie or the audio systems were talking around that area of incident, and what was the social media which was talking around that incident of that location. So if we collate all the information together of CCTV, the audio interface, the social media interface, then together it becomes an intelligent system to pop up what can be the possible, what has actually happened, or who are the people who could have done, how the sequence of events have happened. So this is what we have done for Jaipur and Kota, and now we're going to do for Ajmer. So that component is of BECIL. So we are part of the safe city side of the, the smart cities. Also, we keep participating in the transport, traffic and transport management tenders, and also in the e-learning and education. We have done projects for the IIM Indore for the e-learning, the smart classroom project. So those are the areas that we are participating in, and we are actively into all these domains. So another area we are doing is the social media command and control system. And we basically have built up a project for the Ministry of Information Broadcasting, whereby we record 800 TV channels which have given the license in the country. We transcode it, we receive it through the Indian space, through the satellite receiving system, and transcode it, and then do the storage of 900 TV channels. And then we do the automation software by which each of the workstations can actually get any channel which is stored maybe a month back or a particular date and time, and they can fetch the information, do the broadcast, and the purpose is basically that if any TV channel is violating the broadcast code or the advertisement code or not. So for that monitoring, we have put the software as well, by which we can publish and send SMSs and publish the report together by collating what a particular channel has not followed, what are the clause they have violated, and so on and so forth. So these are the areas that we do. And in the command and control now today, there is a need now for various departments, for the various ministries, is that it is not only the social media. The social media generally the young people would be more interacting with, but very important role is the print media in the country, the vernacular, the regional language papers across the country. They are talking about different subject all the time, every day. So if we can bring with the social media, the electronic media monitoring, that is the TV, the channels, what are they talking, and also the newspaper, the regional newspapers, what are they talking about. And if we can bring out all the three together and can put it on a single dashboard, that is what the project that we are working in. And so we have the analysis of the entire area of information, across in various print, social media, and also the electronic media, and both for the national level or for the state level. For an information officer, it is very important to know what is the subject being mostly talked about. Are the people speaking negative about it or positive about it? What is the grievance of the people, their common citizen? What are they disturbed about? How can we mitigate it? What should be a response? What should we inform them? All that, if we have the information given to the information officer of the respective districts or the states or the country, it really helps in running the governance in the best possible manner. So these are, few areas we are working. We can discuss further on any of this subject, anything to do with what is called the technology in broadcast communication and IT domain. We are there to talk about. Thank you.